guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's unboxing time. This is Hot Wheels that I've ordered from people here in Joburg, well actually in Port Elizabeth. You can actually see there. They are called Just Vintage. I just want to check if you guys can see it nicely. They are called Just Vintage. There's their address. You can contact them as well if you want to. The email is on there. So just pause the video. They were very inexpensive. They're not the best Hot Wheels. They're not Redline Hot Wheels, but I think these are just Hot Wheels that I ordered, and later on, hopefully within the month coming in May, I'm gonna try and restore them. I don't know in what condition they are at this stage. I've only seen them on the website that I ordered it from. So guys, let's get into it. Got my broken scalpel here, so let's just get into it. I actually, when I went to go and fetch this at my post office just now, I was trying to think of what I have ordered over the last couple of months, and I literally, for the life of me, cannot remember what this is. So guys, it's in a nice little box that they submitted or sent to me. It's actually a golf ball box, but thank you very much. I'm gonna leave Just Vintage's description and the email down there, and then you guys can go and check them out as well if you want to, if you want to order some vintage models. So let's get into it. Alright, so as I open the box, I'm just going to put that one side. As you can see, they're just not much for packaging, but newspapers are the best. You can actually, afterwards you can read it, and there's a couple of phone numbers. I don't want to give anyone's away, so let's just put that away. I don't know even how many cars I ordered. I think total for the box, I think there's 3 models. I think there's 3 models in the box. Total that I paid was like 200 bucks, which is very inexpensive. The posting and packaging. Okay guys, so I've opened the box. I actually see, you can see there's the old paper there. That is the ones, there's actually nothing in there. And this is the 3 cars that I've ordered. I can't remember how many of them I ordered initially when I went to go and pick it up now, but I see there are 3 individual cars, and I'm getting the feeling that I do know what they are at this stage. I'm going to try and bring you in close. I've actually tried to put the camera up there where you can all see me, but it doesn't want to focus. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's open the first one. I'm going to do it nice and close here so you guys can see. And alright, so first one up that we have is the I think it's a 1969 Mustang. This, it is in very decent condition still. You can actually see all the windows, the rear window, the front window is still in order. The wheels are in very good condition. It's just plastic wheels. Some nice detail on the car. The paint doesn't look too bad, so I'm quite happy with that. And like I say, for the amount of money that I spent on this, was very inexpensive. So let's just check. Alright, so yes, this is the 1969 Mustang. It was made in Malaysia. This is not one of the older models, like a 65 or 67. I think this model was released somewhere in the 2000s. Correct me if I'm wrong, put in the link, leave a comment there, and then you guys tell me when this car was released, because for the life of me I can't remember now. But anyways, that's going to be a very nice addition to my collection. And as you can see there, the car sits quite nice. It's rolling like it should roll, and everything is in decent shape. Alright, so let's get into the next one. Alright, so this one, I know there was a GTO as well that I've ordered. So alright, so here's the GTO. Alright, so let's just put that crap paper to the one side. So there we have the GTO, and I think this is, it doesn't necessarily say that it's Hot Wheels. It is Mattel incorporated, and you can actually see the flames. You can see the front wheels are quite damaged, but the paint on this car is still in very good condition. It's just the plastic parts at the back and the undercarriage of the car that and there's some paint that went off there. Again, the windows are in very decent condition, so I'm not going to be able, or I won't have to do much on that. You can actually see if I have it like this now, the front wheels are quite bent, so I'll have to correct that. I am looking at restoring this, and let's just get this the correct way around. It was actually. Alright, so this is 2003. It is Mattel Incorporated, also made in Malaysia, and there you go. It is the, let me just get you close in here. But anyways, this is a 65 Pontiac GTO. Very nice car, very nice detail. You can see the old rivets are still original, and that's what you need to look at when you buy old Hot Wheels. That the rivets hasn't been drilled out and the car hasn't been resprayed or whatever. Like I say, this was quite inexpensive for myself, so I'm quite happy with the Mustang and the GTO at this stage. Alright, so let's get into the last one. And this one, I think it's a racing car, and I think it's white. I can't remember what it was, so let's get into it. And there you can actually see there, South Africa. Alright, so we are in South Africa. I'm actually sitting here by my desk. This car was rolled quite nice. Okay, so alright, so this seems like another Mustang. It's a newer version of the Mustang. It's a Ford. It's got the 17 on there. Wheels are in very good shape. The body is still in good shape. You can actually see there the front windshield has a bit of scratches on it, but still a decent car. I don't know if you can make out, it's just a line in there. And in the back. Alright, so let us check what this is. Have I got it the right way around now? Just want to check here quickly. Yeah, so this is a Mustang Cobra. I don't know if you guys will be able to see with the black there. It is a 1997 model, and still in very decent condition. It's also Hot Wheels. You can also see the rivets are still the original rivets as they were fabricated in the factory at Mattel. And there you can see it close up. It's the Mustang Cobra, and it's a 1997 model. It's a good runner. I've actually didn't check the GTO running wise. You can actually see the scratches there on the front window, and that will be all corrected. I'm trying to replicate the same as what we've got here, so that's going to be a difficult task because I don't know if I'll be able to get all these stickers, but we'll definitely have to make a plan. On the GTO is the front axle and the wheels are quite bent out of shape, and that's just one thing that we'll need to correct when we go ahead and we restore these cars. Like I say, they're not in bad condition, and they're going to be a nice add-on to my collection at this stage. I'm actually waiting on two Corgi models. The one is a Morris Minor. I'll update you when I receive them. And the other one is a Aston Martin DB4, James Bond Aston Martin DB4. They are in very rough condition and they definitely need restoring. So but I'm gonna try off with these ones first. I'm gonna see what I can do about it, about the condition, if I'm gonna do anything. But for now, guys, check out Just Vintage, check out the site. And I know most of this stuff they just advertise on OLX or on Bid or Buy or something like that. So but it is definitely worth the check. So guys, I'm gonna leave the description. Please like this video, hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you guys are regularly updated when I upload videos, and be good to your neighbors. Cheers.